this is Off the Grid Uprising 2 powered by Urban Monkey Man. Let's go. Yeah. Battler to my left, introduce yourself.
Yo, this is Jafar Sheikh. Uprising 2, representing myself. Let's go.
Battler to my right, introduce yourself.
हूँ मैं शब्दों का खूनी, मेरा नाम लूनी.
Let's go. We did a coin toss offline, man. Round 1, it's on Looney, man. Let's go.
Still, call me. I can develop your career. I'm into real estate. But Rapture put you against me? That might be his real mistake. Cause all these years you've been battling around with some pussy. So this time you might finally understand how does a real dick taste. Your beats whack. Your beats whack. And you also mix and master. I'm gonna put you on these walls with some bricks and plaster. Hey, yo. Your beats whack. And you also mix and master. I'm gonna put you on these walls with some bricks and plaster. My tricks are faster. Hit you in the chest, make your rib bone fracture. Accept it. Your last battle, it was a disaster. You got no reaction, just some awkward silence and few laughters. But this time, I'm about to close all of your cases like I'm Harvey Specter. ये बोले खुद को प्रोड्यूसर पर प्रोड्यूस करता गार्बेज. अयो रैप्चर, ये कचरे को तू बाहर फेंक. Cause अब बारी आई मेरी लेने इसकी हिंदी में. This motherfucker thought he's gonna find out some gas out of this battle. Bro, जिस लाइन में तू खड़ा वो आता चूतियों की गिनती में. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, मैं जैसे सर, hey yo. मैं जैसे सर और तू पैर, तुझ में और मुझ में कोई समानता नहीं. मैं नहीं करता बैटल, मेरा दिल कभी ये मानता नहीं. पर जब हाथ पकड़े कलम तो खुद को मैं पहचानता नहीं. और तू तो एलिगेंस का इतने टाइम से मेंबर है, पर एक्ट कर रहा है जैसे अपेंडिक्स, साला किसी काम का ही नहीं. And I saw your last battle, साथ था वो वुल्फी से. So this ain't the first time you are battling a skinny guy जो आता यूपी से. But मैं लूनी. तो अगर नेक्स्ट राउंड में बेटा मैं तेरी जान लूनी तो नाराज हो जाएगा जोरो लूफी से. टाइम.
So Jafar, man, let's go.
मैं बोलूंगा ही नहीं. Now, since 14 I've been moving through. With a bag of weed to the school and a blade of steel back to the hood. So I medicated in class and educated on street enough to read the room. This ain't no mystery that he shacks with pussies. Cause if I make this thing shaggy, his dog's gonna scatter like Scooby-Doo. तेरे अगले बन के भागे रोड रनर, दिखे उनकी स्कूटी दूर. Not odd to me, लगता कार्टूनी तू. Screws तेरे loosely screwed. This pen will penetrate you through your nose. Lobotomy room में खूनी खून करके इसकी बुद्धि move. I'll get this loony tuned. Listen, you lack bigger picture, man. But now you want this camera come close to your face like money shots? I won't beat around the bush. तेरी skills है बड़ी जाट. Now this Bombay battle rap is going to be gold and sweet. तो Rapture बता मेरे को एक खरी बात. This rapper is so shit. Do we need the Poonie or the honey part? Yo. You're a stress rapper. Very depressed rapper. Virgin with no sex rapper. Virgin with no sex rapper. You're a mistake, but your parents think that they're blessed rapper. But your father that night was with one less rapper. Now. Rapture! Do you like gun bars, bro?
Yes.
But like the lost media, I forgot my mag, son. But I do. Revolver around like I'm ballet dancers. I can make bars on sticks, but it's more fun to enact them. Like picture this. I put him on ice, scream will fill the room. When I make him lick magnums. Yo. मेरी पेन नोज नो बाउंड्स, ये मेरी असली एक राइवल. मेरे रोड किल्स का वापस होता नहीं रिवाइवल. मेरी टेक्निक नेवर LEFT सर्वाइवर्स. इसके ब्रेक्स मेरे बस में नहीं, मैं BST का ड्राइवर. टाइमर तू सिर्फ कर साइफर गलत लेन में ना ड्राइव कर एंड डोंट हॉन्क जब तू है रॉन्ग साइड पर क्योंकि द नेक्स्ट लॉन्ग बीप विल बी योर वाइटल्स
Round 2, it's on Looney, man. Let's go.
So when I opened his profile, the first thing I noticed, he says, I rap. So let me make one thing clear. When Sham told me that I was battling against you, I ran. Because Rapture was right battling an ugly motherfucker. The tough is real. Iran Israel, if you get it.
Iran Israel.
Yeah. And what? You do gun bars, bro? पर तेरी उंगली कभी ट्रिगर पे आके अटका नहीं जिन गलियों में बहता सुबह 9 से 11 पानी और रात को खून उन गलियों में तू कभी भटका नहीं एंड फक अ ग्लॉक मैं कैरी करता देसी कट्टा पर आज तेरे लिए मैं लाया मेरे पिताजी का देसी पट्टा और उसको मैं खोलूं और मुंह तो तेरे करियर पे पर फिर भी भरेगा तेरा मटका नहीं एंड व्हेन आई से आई एम न्यू टू दिस गेम इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं कर सकता नहीं And you don't even know how every day I'm waking myself just to make these fools understand how I'm making myself, preparing for your death while you are shaking my hand. Because all this year I've been a really good man, so now it's time for me to break in my bed. And it's already a lot I have gave you to been through. So rearrange your bars like it's an operation sin through. बट मैं ये गेम में दिमाग रख रहा हूँ जैसे आइंस्टाइन मेरे सामने खड़ा मिस्टर बीन क्यों करूँ टेडी बार को मैं सीधा आई सेड करूँ टेडी बेयर को मैं सीधा बिकॉज यू विल एंड अप लाइक रैप्चर उसके बिन तू दैट्स अ लाइक मेड अप बार ओके एवरीबॉडी इज मेड अप बार या आई गेट इट ओके सो आफ्टर दिस बैटल फिर भी तू सुनता रहेगा मेरा जिक्र है बिकॉज जब से तू खड़ा मेरे सामने तेरे सपने लगे बिखरने कॉल आ रहा है भाई सॉरी हेलो हाँ जाफर के पिताजी नहीं अंकल अभी तो वो फिलहाल के लिए जल रहा है अस्थि विसर्जन हाँ वो जी कल है एंड दैट्स टाइम
Let's go, man. Let's go.
You see, I'm a lone ranger. Because when you shoot for the stars, you need more space. But I stayed down to earth to turn an op into fossil fuel जब निकलता पेट्रोल पे. It's a crude fact. You can't trap and anyone who gasses you up. Otherwise, mother chode hai. So I'll help you kill your hype man करके scene में तेरी gas कम जैसे LPG की shortage. Now I battle rap to divert and control rage because on the streets I almost made a kid an orphan. So my dog S dot can quote this for me every Jumma is a court date. My dog S dot can quote this every Jumma is a court date. So whatever I spit is morbid, like I signed a deal with death, the way I endorse it, and also my blicky is too much into foreplay. After leaving a rapper's dome spread, she keeps begging me for more head.
Bars, bro.
In my last battle, I did make mistakes. And I'm going for the throne. So a king would do that, Shayadi. So now I'll clear that slate. Execute this bitch with honor. जिसके ये लायक नहीं. But I gotta paint a picture for my OGs. So I'll spill your blood red with my ink blue. It will mix and prove I violated you royally.
Bars, bro.
You're just a dummy for me to practice on, to sirf ek pawn, to show them all. Pressure only made this underdog strong. Now you cannot break this storm. Sham said, come prepare for this war. But fuck an hammer. I can swing that axe too, like the thunder god Thor. Time.
Let's go. Go, man. Crazy battle. Wow. For everybody's context, this was Looney's pre-written debut battle, man. Give it up for both. If you all thought Looney won, make some noise. If you all thought Jafar won, make some noise. Jafar took this one, man. A lot of love to Looney. Let's go.